everyone, welcome to my channel Anvesha classes. Today we are going to see 10 simple and easy lines on my school. My school name is LM School. My school building is very beautiful and spacious. It has a big auditorium where we assemble for prayer. My school has many classrooms, which walls are painted with many geometric design. My school has a big library which has many academic as well as another informative books. It also has a big laboratory where we do chemical practical. My school has a computer lab where we learn computer. It has a big playground where I play various outdoor games. My school teachers are very affectionate and caring. It is one of the most famous school in the town. I love my school. Thank you.